both the examples. So now we are drawing an example that is we see in our daily life. Even this example we see in our daily life, but we don't feel. This example everybody see. Shabab, you guys have seen the other side of this road, our road. There are plants, right? And they put the fire on them. If you see the top, you will see some fire on it. Right, Shabab?
Yes, the focus is gone from the camera.
Focus is not good?
Yeah,
No, it is fine?
okay, now it's fine. It's clear.
Yes, now it's fine.
Okay, that's good. Fine, Shabab?
Yes, clear.
That's good. So everybody has seen a long flare, a long tank, and at the end of the tank there is a fire on the top of the tank. Right, Shabab?
Yes, right.
Okay, so that we are taking that example. So there is a long tank is there like this. And one gas is coming here. Right, Shabab? It enters the tank. And we burn this gas here, we burn it, and we let it go in the atmosphere. We let it go. So why we burn this gas, Shabab? What is the reason? Yeah, Shabab, why we burn this gas? Why we burn it before let it go to the atmosphere?
To make sure there is no other chemical or no other things, mix it with it, something like
Give me
that.
some example. Brother Ali is writing, we do not need them. You know that to burn it, very expensive. Technically, what is burning? What is burning technically? Burning mean what?
Fuel.
Yes, Shabab.
We need fuel to
Technically,
burn the.
sorry?
We need the fuel to burn the gas.
Fuel? Technically, what is burning? Technically, burning is to add oxygen. Add oxygen in something. Oxygen is expensive or cheaper, Shabab?
Cheap,
Yes,
teacher.
Shabab.
Cheap.
Oxygen is very expensive, not cheaper. Expensive. Right, Shabab? Okay. Now, when we burn, we add the oxygen. Give me some example. What is this, Shabab? CO. CO is what?
Carbon dioxide.
CO. This one. What is CO, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, what is CO? Yes, brother, what you are saying?
Carbon dioxide or what?
Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, right?
Oh, that's one. Okay, fine.
Carbon monoxide. Okay, is it dangerous?
Yeah, I guess.
It is very dangerous, not just dangerous, very dangerous.
Has to die, teacher.
So how long? Sorry?
This is maybe when I smell this, I will die, I think.
Yes. How long you need to smell to get die?
Maybe 10 seconds like this. I forget.
10 seconds is very big time, even less than that. Right,
So-
Shabab? According to some people, yes, 2, 3, 3, 4, like that. Okay. When we put oxygen in it, we add oxygen in it, it becomes what?
So,
When we burn
C-
it, this is burning.
CO2.
It becomes what? CO2.
CO.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So CO2 is also dangerous, but it is not killing. CO2 is what?
Dangerous, but not killing. Like,
Carbon dioxide. Very good. Brother Abdullah is writing carbon dioxide. Yes. It is also dangerous, but it is not killing. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
yes,
That's
we are
good.
with you.
Now, our government has put the restriction on the industry, has put the restriction for the plants. Don't let, this is one example. There are a lot of other examples. Don't let this gas, carbon monoxide, don't let it go into the air, into the atmosphere before burning. First you burn it, then it will go. Right, Shabab?
Yeah.
Shabab with
Yes,
me?
yes, yes.
So nobody can let this gas go into the air without burning. Burning is very expensive. This is very expensive. You have to put big money. So the gas, this is one example. Again, there are a lot of other examples. So first you burn it. Then what about the temperature, Shabab? Okay, we burn, we make it carbon dioxide. The temperature should be whatever temperature, okay? Or we need to check the temperature also.
Must be high temperature.
Must be higher, man.
Temperature must be high or must be low.
Of course, higher.
So can we let it go in the air like 100 degrees centigrade?
No, it's make it very
No.
dangerous.
Yes, very good, very good. So we need to check the temperature also. It should not be more than the tolerance. Right, Shabab?
Yeah.
So we need to check two things. One, we need to check the concentration, how much concentrated it is really carbon dioxide or not. And the second thing, we need to see the temperature. So keep these two things in mind, and then we're going to design the system. Okay, Shabab. So now we are going to design the system. So this gas is coming here, Shabab, right? We put a sensor here. The same orifice plate sensor we are putting. Flow indicator transmitter is there. Right, Shabab? Then this is sending signal to the flow indicator controller. Then we have here I2P converter. We have a valve here, control valve. This signal is coming here. Shabab with me?
With you, teacher, yes.
That's good. So before we release it in the air, we need to check, we need to do the analysis indicator transmitter. We need to do the analysis. How much carbon is there? How much oxygen is there? It is really now become the carbon dioxide or not? How we do the analysis, Shabab?
Is this a
If
new?
you want to check the salt in the rices, how we do? Salt in the rices, how we check it? In our daily life, somebody is cooking the rices. We want to check the salt is good or not. How we check it?
Test it?
Test. How we test it? How we test? We put the water from the rices on our hand and we check it. This is analysis. What we say, this is analysis. Not eat. Don't say it is eat.
Yes.
Analysis. You just put one drop on your hand and taste it, or one drop in the spoon and taste it. The salt is good or not. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So this is what we say, analysis. So we put a transmitter analysis in indicator transmitter. That is sending signal to the analysis controller. Analysis indicator controller. This one have a set point. We have given the set point. This much should be carbon, this much should be oxygen. This is checking. Before it go to the air, we also need to check the temperature. How much temperature is there? So we put here our temperature
Temperature
indicator transmitter. Right, Subham? That is sending signal to the temperature indicator controller. Output of this controller is coming here, and output of this controller is going here. So we are checking temperature, we are checking analysis, then we are letting it go. Otherwise, if the temperature is not good, it will send the signal to this controller of the close the valve. No more gas, right? Yeah, temperature is good, then it will check analysis. It is really carbon dioxide. If it is really carbon dioxide, okay, let it go. If it is not carbon dioxide, even then send the signal to this controller of the valve. So are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now, which controller is the master controller, Shabab?
Temperature indicator transmitter.
You are controlling what?
The gas.
You are controlling it is really carbon dioxide or not. That's what you are doing. It is really carbon dioxide or not. So you are doing the analysis. So your main controller is this one. Analysis indicator controller. Analyzer indicator controller. This is our primary controller. How many secondary controllers we have, Shabab?
2.
2. Temperature indicator controller and then flow indicator controller. Are they in series or parallel?
Series.
Very good. Very good. Why? This controller will send the signal to this controller, and then this controller will send the signal to this controller. Shubha with me?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, Shubha. Now we need to put the PV, SP, and M and signal flow. Get the first. Put the PV, SP, M and get the first.
Can I say that by talking? Khudraw may take.
Sorry? No. By talking, first is not there. You put it on the page, then you get the first, inshallah. Someone else is trying, Shabab? Okay, that's good. A lot of brothers, they're saying wait. Okay, I'm waiting. You please try. Yes, Shabab. No, it is long time. Okay, Shabab. Here, upward or downward? Up. That's good. What is its name?
BV.
PV. Good. This is upward, downward, or upward? One brother is saying, I finish. Okay, show me. If you finish, show me, please.
Downward.
Yes, Shabab, one brother wrote, he finished. Okay, please show me. Yes, Shabab, this is upward or downward? Down, that's good. What is its name?
So finish, teacher.
Set point, that's good. You finished, please show me.
Okay, wait a moment.
If you, yeah, please.
Is it there?
Make a little up. Bring a little up, brother Zahri. Bring a little up. Okay, that's good. You will get the first. Please tell me your ID.
141. Did you find it?
Please tell me complete.
391902
3919
02
3919 02
141.
141. Okay. That's good. Yeah, Shabab. This is right side, left side.
Left side.
Left side. What is its name?
M, which is output.
M. That's good. This one, Shabab, come here now. Upward, downward.
Downward.
Downward. What is its name?
PV.
PV. Very good. This is down or up?
Down.
Down. What is its name?
M.
M. Very good. This is right side, left side. Which one?
Left side.
Left. Left
Down or
side.
up?
Down.
Left side. What is its name?
M.
Set point.
Yellow.
SB.
Set point. Very good. Here, what is its name?
Output. M.
M.
M. Very good. This is left side, right side?
Right side.
Right side. What is its name?
BV.
PV. Very good. So, we put the SP, PV, M. Now we need to describe the system. What is the name of the system, Shabab?
Cascade.
Cascade. No, it is not just cascade. No, just cascade is not correct. It is cascade system with how many master?
One master.
One master, two slave.
Master, two slave in series or parallel?
Two series slave.
Series. Very good. Now a lot of brothers are writing series. Very good. So now the complete name of the system is what? It is cascade system with one primary controller and two secondary controllers in series. Shabab with me? That's good. A lot of brothers are saying yes. Okay. What is the primary variable, Shabab? What is the primary variable?
Which is AIT. The
Analysis.
analysis.
We are doing the analysis. Shabab with me?
Yes.
What is the primary transmitter?
Analysis.
What is the name of the
transmitter?
Sorry?
Analysis indicator transmitter.
Very good. Analysis indicator transmitter, AIT. What is the primary controller?
Analysis
indicator controller.
Very good. AIC. Secondary one is what is this country 1 variable? Because we have two countries in series. So country 1 is what? Variable. Brother Abdullah is writing TIT. TIT is not the variable. Country 1 variable. Country 1. Brother Ali is writing both. Country 1 variable is what?
Transmitter indicator.
Yes. Temperature. Very good. Country 1 variable is temperature. Output of this controller is coming here. So country 1 variable is temperature. Country 1 transmitter is what? What is the name of this country 1 transmitter, Shabab?
temperature indicator transmitter.
Temperature indicator transmitter. What is the name of the controller for this country 1?
Temperature indicator controller.
Very good. Temperature indicator controller. What is the name of variable for this country 2?
Flow.
Indicator.
Flow. Very good. What is the name of the transmitter's country 2?
Flow indicator transmitter.
Flow indicator transmitter. Very good. What is the name of the controller for country 2?
Flow indicator controller.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Shabab. Now here, what we are controlling? We are controlling the analysis. We are controlling the analysis with respect to temperature and flow. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
If the temperature is good according to set point, analysis is good, then the gas is going outside in the air. If the temperature is good, but the analysis is not good, this valve must be closed. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
If temperature is not good in the starting, it is not good, it is not according to set point, this valve must be closed. Shabab with me?
So that means one will affect one of them will affect on the valve.
Yeah. So first we check the temperature, then we check the analysis. Shabab with me? First we check the temperature, then we do the analysis. Shabab with me?
Yes.
So that's why we say series. Now see here. Now see this one. We check the level, right, Shabab?
Yes.
And depending upon the level, we give the instruction to both the secondary controllers. Depending upon this level, we give the instruction to both the secondary controllers, open this valve or close valve at the same time. That's why this is parallel. Right, Shabab? This is what? Parallel. The output of the primary controller is coming both secondary controllers at the same time. Shabab with me?
With you, teacher. Continue.
Here, output of this controller is coming here, then output of this controller is coming here. Right?
Yes, yes.
That's why it is in series. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
Teacher,
Yes.
how can I differentiate between primary and secondary?
This one you need to see the last week video. And again, if you are really asking this question, you are not joking, then it is very strange. With a secondary controller, where is the funnel control element here? See this one. This is secondary 2. This is the funnel control element. There is no funnel control element with this controller. There is no funnel control element with this controller. And to where we are giving the set point, we are giving set point here to the analyzer. So this is the primary controller. This is country 1, this is country 2. You got your answer?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay, any other brother has any question, Shabab, for today?
Yes,
For
I
today,
have.
these
Yes, teacher.
please ask.
Teacher,
Yes.
how
Yes,
can I
please.
know? How can I know if it is series or parallel?
See here, output of this controller is going to this controller, right?
Yes, right.
And output of this controller is going to this controller.
Yes.
You are with me?
Yes, with you.
Okay, this is series. No, this is parallel. Output of the master going both the slaves at the same time. Same output it is receiving, same output it is receiving. Right?
Okay, yes, right.
You got the answer?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Any other brother, please ask. Shabab, if you have any question, please ask.
I have two questions.
Yes, please.
Is it okay to put two primary and one secondary like that, or it must be only one primary and then two?
See, in cascade, one is master, all other are slave. You got my point?
Yeah.
If we have two master and one slave, then it is different kind of control.
Okay. So
You are with me?
yeah.
And even that control, temporarily, one need to be master, other will become the slave. You got my point?
Yes.
And inshallah, the discussion is coming in the bachelor. In the bachelor, there is a course, process control applications. There we discuss this system with a two master, one slave, even more than two like this. Right?
Okay, fine. I got it.
Right now, we have one master and all other, they are slave. Yeah, somebody may be slave one, slave two, or a parallel slave. It is like this. This is cascade. What is your second question, please?
Okay. We know that in the second graph, the one will affect other in series. Yeah.
Yes.
So if one will affect, the valve must be closed after that.
See, it depends upon how many things you are checking. Here we are checking two things, right? And both things should be checked in series. First, we check the temperature. If temperature is not okay, we don't need close this one, right?
Yes.
After checking the temperature, we check the analysis. If the temperature is correct, if temperature is correct, then check the analysis. It is really carbon dioxide or not.
Okay, fine.
Right?
Yes.
That's why we put it in series.
Okay. I continue the questions. And in the second graph, how do I know that?
This is not graph, this is PID diagram. This
Yeah.
PID, yeah.
Yeah. If there is someone affect, how do I know who will close and who will be continue, something like that?
Here we are controlling the level, right?
Yes.
Now, if the level is more than the set point, we will close both the valves at the same time. We don't need any of them.
Okay. Fine.
Imagine you are working in a biscuit factory, right?
Yes.
Biscuit plant. This is milk and this is water, right? You are mixing it, milk and water, right?
Yes.
So 1 liter of milk, 2 liter of water is coming and mixing.
Okay. After it will fill it.
Now you reach the level at the set point, right?
Yes.
So you wanna close both the valve at the same time, or you wanna open one, wanna close one?
Yeah, it must be both of them closed together.
Yeah, that's it. So you get the point. That's why we put them parallel.
Okay, fine. I got it.
You got the answer, right?
Yes, I got it, teacher. Continue.
Okay, that's good. Any other brother Shabab, please ask.
Teacher, I'm sorry, but in the parallel, they will work together.
The secondary ones?
Yes, they will work
Yes,
together.
because
They will
they're
open
getting
together and close together.
same set point they are getting. See the same set point they are getting. Same set point, right?
Yes, right.
So whatever this loop will do, same this loop will do.
Okay.
And logically you can imagine, here we are mixing two things, right?
Right.
So they should start or stop at the same time, otherwise their mixing will disturb.
Hmm. Right.
You got the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Any other brother Shabab, please ask. Yes, brother Ali, he's saying yes. So he's saying yes to answer, or he's saying yes, he need a. Could you please explain again why we connect in series? Again, this is very straightforward here. See here, we check the temperature, then we check the analysis. So we have to put them in series. If you want to check the analysis and temperature at the same time, then we will put them in parallel. But here we say no. First check the temperature. If the temperature is fine, if temperature is okay, then we'll check the analysis. Otherwise, we will not even go to analysis. We will close. We will close this valve. No more gas. You are with me? So first we check the temperature, then we go to analysis. Otherwise, we don't need. Otherwise, close the valve and stop it here if the temperature is not good. Because if temperature is good, then check the analysis. So are with me? That's good. You got your answer? The